TJW Precision Engineering supplies exceptional high-precision machined components for some of the world's most demanding markets and prestigious companies. We are trusted partners who provide a total one-stop solution for both OEM and subcontract customers. TJW offers solutions for the manufacture of finished components totally under our control. From our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities located in Dursley, Gloucestershire and Stourbridge, West Midlands, we manufacture for a wide range of sectors such as aerospace, automotive, medical, oil and gas, metrology and other OEM industries. A key strength at TJW is in the machining of highly complex components used for challenging applications which operate around the world. Our facilities are equipped with the very latest machining technology, which includes leading Mitsubishi and Charmeil wire and spark erosion EDM machinery for highly accurate machining for the mold and press tooling industry manufactured from hard and exotic materials. TJW's extensive machining facility employs the latest in CNC state-of-the-art equipment. Our CNC milling section utilizes an array of Herco, Mazak, Okuma and Haas multi-axis CNC machining centers for the efficient quality of components up to 2.2 meters in size. TJW's high-performance turning section employs CNC lathes with bar-fed capacity which includes live tooling capabilities. This is accompanied by a 24/7 lights-out manufacturing service for highly competitive batch production. For surface grinding, we utilize Jones and Shipman CNC technology. Facilities at Dursley are complemented by our own in-house surface treatment service, from degreasing, anodizing and electrostatic paint spraying for aerospace and harsh environment sectors. These facilities have recently been significantly expanded by the investment in a large-scale tartaric sulfuric acid anodizing TSA plant which meets the exacting demands of large aerospace OEM customers. These capabilities are supported by one of the UK's leading water jetting facilities at TJW's Stourbridge facility. This site also offers a one-stop solution for all CNC water jet cutting requirements. TJW Stourbridge utilizes state-of-the-art software to provide CNC cutting solutions that optimize material utilization and material depth cutting speed. TJW Stourbridge utilizes Bistronic and Waterjet Sweden CNC cutting machines and can machine components up to 4 meters by 2 meters. A dedicated quality department equipped with the latest Mitutoyo CMM inspection and metrology equipment for the thorough final inspection of components before dispatch supports and monitors our commitment to quality products. The core aspects of our business growth are driven by the exceptionally high standard of people we employ, along with a program of substantial and continuous investments. TJW's quality systems are approved to high standards, along with holding customer approvals for Airbus UK, Goodrich Actuation Systems, GKN, Lear Corporation and BI Engineering, to name but a few. TJW offers the complete one-stop shop solution to your machined components requirements. To arrange a factory visit or to talk to one of our highly responsive engineers, contact us today.